Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments. I love to read every one of them. Y'all, I want to first say hello to Tina. She's a viewer. I don't know how she got my number. It don't matter how she got my number. But she called me today. She's a real sweet lady. We had a good long conversation. And thank you for Tina for calling me. You made my day. Okay, misinformation. Let's talk about misinformation a little bit. With our government and the stimulus packages, they change so fast that it's hard to keep up with them. So please watch my latest videos when they come out. If it was true information 2 weeks ago, it may not be true today. That's just how fast things changes. And it will look like bad information, or it will look like clickbait. So be sure and watch the latest videos of mine and anybody else's. Don't go back into their catalog and expecting to get up-to-date information. Last week we was all in high hopes of getting a stimulus bill passed. The problem solvers introduced a bill with the potential of 2 stimulus checks. Everyone was excited over this bill. So now what happened to it? Now other YouTubers are going to give you this long, drawn-out explanation of what happened to it. But in a nutshell, 2 things happened to it. And that would be Nancy Pelosi and the Mooch Man. It's that simple. That's the only thing that happened to it. Mark Meadows and Nancy Pelosi are optimistic of getting a bill passed very soon. How many times have we heard them say that? Nancy Pelosi is wanting to impeach Donald Trump again. If he does his presidential duty by replacing Ruth Ginsburg in the Supreme Court. When will her hatred for Donald Trump ever end? She is putting her hatred for our president before the American people's needs. She is not fit to be in any office. Now Cruella DeVille and the Mooch Man is going to use Ruth Ginsburg's death to hold up progress of another stimulus package. You mark my word on that. That's going to happen. Nancy Pelosi said that the package that the problem solvers introduced don't meet the needs of the people. Hello, Nancy. Neither does nothing, and that's exactly what you're giving us. Nancy, I am begging you, do the American people a big favor. Jump on your broom and fly off it into a big tree. That would help us all. I'm sorry, y'all. I know a lot of y'all won't like that. I'm sorry. Y'all, check out my other channel. It's in the links below. I am starting back today, making a video every day over there. Y'all be sure and check that out. And check out my new books. Also, I've got another new book coming. During the hurricane, I was able to finish it up. I just got to put it on my website now, just as soon as I get time. It will be in the next couple of days. I will let you know when it's there. Y'all, I love you all. I don't know if I'll make another video today or not on this channel, but please go over at 9 a.m. and check out the other channel that's in the links below. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up and your comments. Until the next time, I love you. Bye.